guys, we actually putting this toilet together, not really installing it, we're just putting them together just like the van. We just put them together. We're not ready to install. There's more to do. So this is a toilet bowl. This is actually the toilet. Alright, these comes with the toilet. So let me show you a few things here. This is like something like a washer to protect any leakage. So this is actually the bowl, so this is actually going under here and you lock it under there. Right, so when you put this in there, no water runs out anyway but through here into this. So let's take okay. So we have to take off these. Okay. Put it in this area right here and make sure these two screws goes through these two holes. And then we come from underneath and we put back on. And then we tighten it really tight. We do the same thing on here. And we tighten them real tight. You gotta tighten them as tight as possible because this is supposed to shake at all. So you tighten one side, you come to the other side, you tighten it, kind of balance it out. Come back over here. You don't want, it's not supposed to be moving at all. It's supposed to be very tight. This is a very easy one to install. This is where the water line that comes from the shutter valve connects. It connects right to this one. So this is just here. We got to remove that. Just like that, guys. You have set up your toilet. You can, you see, release. You just get the cover. Oh, this cover. This is the cover, which this is broke. It sounds like it broke, so I gotta basically return this. You see, these are things you gotta be careful with. You gotta pay attention because this one breaks. So yes, so what we gotta do, we gotta take this one back to the store because as you see, it broke. So we gotta care about, we gotta reinstall, take it back down and take it back to the store. But at the end of the day, this is how easy this one is to, and this is the seat cover that goes on right here. So that's how simple it was, guys. So all you do, you put on the top and you take the seat. Let me just show you for the sake of it. And these knives are pretty sharp, so you gotta be careful. Alright? So this is the seat cover right here. That you take it out and you install it right there just like that. Okay, but I gotta return this back because this is brick. Thank you all.